Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on LMS and what it is and the features it has. I found it a very interesting a platform. It has some cons and pros, of course. So let's just start with adding a course. So you give your course a name, LMS, category, let's say education, and then some description. Okay, you can have give it a course code because you want people really use it. You can also give it a price because you can sell it. If your course is good, everybody can use your course and you get paid. You can add an introduction video. We covered that in this module to show your presence and to tell about your students about yourself, the capacity of your students. You can just give it like 20 course exploration if you want. And certification. Do you want to give certificate to your students and your learners? And you can also give it a level. Okay. And then let's go to the course. So this is the other course I created. So it's free. Let me go to the course content. So yeah, these are the things I added. So just a little bit of introduction. Okay, so people read it, they say completed, and they go to the next part. Okay, you can add a web page. See, this is a web page I added. Okay, so people read it and click on completed and let's continue. The thing I really like about this application is that you can upload videos directly from YouTube, or you can upload from your own computer. This is not what I like. Every LMS can do that. What I love about that is that you can assign tests. Like create tests for every video, so they can pass only if they do the test. Okay, so here I created a test, reset unit. Yeah, so they can only pass if they watch the video and answer the questions correctly. So you want to make sure that they really watch the video. They just don't say like complete. They just don't click on continue and then go to the next part. You want them to really watch it. So for this one, number 3 was the correct answer. So I submit and correct. You can add more than one questions. You see there are different parts, and you can add audio file. So I recorded myself here on the platform. You don't need to go to any other platforms. And I also added slides, and you can actually add whatever you want. You can create tests for every content you create. That's what I really like about this module, about this platform. So let's go back to the main page. You can also change the path. So you want this to be in a sequential order or in any order, and you wanted to calculate the tests and assignments, because you can create assignments also, and courses completed when all the units are completed, a percentage, or just some selected units are completed. Here are your files, and it also gives a report of the students' engagement. How many students have completed your course? Where are they each? And this is also another thing I love. The disadvantage of this application is that you cannot create that community of inquiry, like that collaborative learning piece is missing here. So you have contact with your students, so there is direct instructor and student contact, but what it's missing is the collaboration piece. It doesn't have that. I guess you can create discussions on the main page, but not for each course. So that's an important piece. So if without that, it's just traditional way of learning. So you can add like that's how we did. Like you can add Slack to this, not directly, but you can just add the link for people to go there and interact, or for example, Google Chats, but that is not integrated into the platform here. So I think that's the main disadvantage of this application. But overall, I really like this application, and it's very good for companies, organizations, or even education courses. You can also create a certificate for your students, so that when they finish, they can just submit to you to show the completion of the course. That's also another interesting feature. So that's my tutorial about TalentLMS, and I'm waiting for your tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.